And here is the sound of some birds on a nice sunny day. Along with the sound of some transport or cars going past as well, but otherwise you can hear the birds. Can you hear them? There. They're in the trees. It's like amongst the human contact, there's still the communication of the birds going on if you listen very carefully. Nice clear sunny day today. Sometimes everyone has such a fast pace of life, they forget to connect with nature, even listen to the natural sounds in life. Just like human beings travel around the world, so does nature and wildlife travel around different parts of the world at different times as well. I just film a little bit more, then I'll leave this video.